African of old was someone or people that were enlightened.
Of course, we were the black scientists, Alajinya.
Wow, amazing.
That's what I'm proving. I'm not educated. I'm not taught of the knowledge I have, but an inherited knowledge.
See, we talk about Christopher Columbus when we talk about discovery.
Exactly.
But here I am.
Yeah.
I am looking at a map of Africa.
Welcome to the stone circles of Wasu. This is the stone man, and this is Gambia uncharted.
This reminds me of the Stonehenge.
That's very true.
In Europe.
Yeah.
And prehistoric Gambians were also Stone Age people.
That's true.
So what's the significance of this whole place called Wasu Stone Circle?
Wasu Stone Circles, like you just said, Stonehenge, we connected. They also have Kanak, the landing stones in France. And these two countries, Gambia and Senegal, are colonized by France and Britain. And they use our image into their countries. That's why all Celtic symbols come the same. And stones connections are stones joining, stones laying, stones lining, stones hang, stones angle within the circles. 7 became the mysteriousness of the world. That's the formations of the 7 earth, the 7 sky, the 7 stars, 7 days a week, the 7 seas from Gunju. Gambian, Gambian, is a 7. And 7 forms the same connection with the wonders of the world. That's why we have the landing stones within 7 stones. And there are 6 created circles within the 7 landing stones. And we Mandingos, we had a poem or a ceremony in 1966 under that life tree. That's when Mandingos came with we are Kononto and Sotobul Kononto. That means the 9 blue starling birds came to 9 branches of a live tree. They ate 9 seeds, they dropped 9 seeds, they put 9 seeds in their baby's mouth. And they flew with 9 seeds. They left the 9 holes of the stone, the 9 holes of the live tree, the 9 holes of stone man. And we local said, Mandingos of Nyani, Nyani bere sunkutu sawa sidula saba. That means the 3 stones of Nyani times itself. Even you observe, these stones, that one there, and this one here, they don't look exactly the same with the rest of the stones.
I totally agree.
Thank you. That's why the Europeans moved 3 of them from the other circle to this circle to image that tree. 3 times 3 became 9. We said we are Kononto, Sotobul Kononto. That means the 9 blue starling birds with the 9 branches of the live tree.
The African of old was someone or people that were enlightened.
Of course, we were the black scientists, Alajinya.
See, we talk about Christopher Columbus when we talk about discovery.
Exactly.
But here I am.
Yeah.
I am looking at a map of Africa.
Exactly.
Look at this.
And that's not the only one.
This is a real map of Africa.
Exactly.
That's the Horn of Africa, that's the Cape of Good Hope, and that's Gambia.
Exactly.
This is something that's very, very much so intriguing because it's showing that our prehistoric people understood geography, and the proof is in the pudding.
Very right, and I found more of them. They're in my office in the nature.
Okay.
They're laying there.
And another thing I've noticed here, which is very striking,
The linings.
there is an alignment,
Yes,
a straight line.
from here.
Yeah, from this stone right here,
Here, yeah.
all the way to the end, it's a straight line. What's the significance of that?
That's what you call the linings with the energies. For example, they are in a connection of joining, laying, lining, edge angle.
Wow.
That's the constructional plan to everything in this entire world.
And now, one thing about where we're standing right now, what does this circle represent and signify?
This circle is representing the moon.
So that's a lunar circle, right?
Exactly, and that's why you have the V within calf within the circle. That's when it is full moon, it's like that.
Yes.
That's the V there.
Yes.
And the V is very significant because it's a Romance number and the same time it's Quran also.
And I've noticed these are shorter and a bit bigger.
Exactly.
Why?
because they image the moon and that image is the sun. They're
Okay.
opposite.
And the stones that are stacked on top of it.
People believe they're sacred sites, they make wishes and lay it on top.
Okay, so that's the locals coming here.
Exactly, neither tourists today.
Okay, and this one in particular, what's this?
This is the one exactly identified on my banknote.
Yeah, it's on this the dollar.
$50, yes.
Yeah. So what does this circle represent?
The races of the sun.
So that's what this one represents.
Exactly, the sun.
Okay.
That's the importance of summer solstice every 21st of June and winter solstice every 21st of December.
Okay.
Well, here is the closest point to the sun, not England. That's why at times they have failure. The sun wouldn't shine.
Okay. And what about this one? I mean,
That-
it looks different,
Yes,
but I'm sure it signifies something.
of course, we had 13 stones within the circle,
Yes.
but the 5 images, the 5 star. That's why you have 3 and the 2 on the back.
Yes.
That's the 5. That's the importance of the 5 and the 6 stars.
Okay. Here then.
Here we have this is containing 17 stones.
Yes.
But today we have 15, and the other side we used to contain 24, but 15 is standing there, and the 15 connection is the 5 star. That's why that's the Soluku. And this is the La Musuka in the Quran. No matter how you calculate, you get 15.
Wow.
And if you write Pentagon America, it's a 15-word name. They're hanging 5 stars.
Wow.
This is the biggest in size with 24 stones within a circle, and the 6, 2 and 4 is 6. 6 is the creation of the world, and that's why we have the 6 circles and the formations of the 6 corner star.
This is amazing. What about that one standing alone right there?
That one is also lining with 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is in the front.
Okay.
You have 7. That's showing you the east, and this is the middle.